Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra solution. Here 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 is equal to question mark. Here are 4 choices are given. Option A equal to 0, option B equal to 1, option C is equal to 5 raised to power 1, option D is equal to 5 raised to power minus 2. So let's start the solution. 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. Then this 5 divided by 5, then divided by 5. Then we can divide here 1 divided by 5 divided by, we can write here 5 by 1 equal to, we write here 1 divided by 5, division multiplied, converted into multiplied 1 by 5. We have taken here reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. So here we can multiply 1 square by 5 square. Then we can write this 1 by 5 whole square. We can write this 5 raised to power minus 1 here square. Then we can apply here a raised to power m raised to the power n equal to a raised to power m into n. This formula we can apply here. So we get here answer 5 raised to power minus 2. This is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. This one option. Thank you for joining us. Bye bye everyone.